Hi, I'm Miss Sam, and I'm here to show you another easy toy you can make for your baby. We already made the great shaker with colors and noise that your baby can roll. Now we're going to do something different. This is a regular plastic bottle, and this is the greatest thing, clothespins. There they are. They're strong, they're wood, they're great for your baby to hold and roll, and they can hold them with both hands as they crawl around. Now, you're going to be a teacher. You're going to take the clothespin and you're very slowly put it in the bottle. And take another one, put it in the bottle. Now your baby's watching and they're entranced with this. You're going to hold the bottle, you put in another one, and then you're going to shake it so your baby can hear the noise, and that's very, very interesting. You're going to shake out your clothespins, and you're going to repeat the whole process again. And you know what? Soon your baby will be doing this all by themselves. They'll be able to shake it, shake out the clothespins, and they can play with the clothespins. They're very safe. They're one of the best things you can have. You can make noise with the clothespins. You can have lots of fun with the clothespins. And it's really great to be able to make something. You take care. Bye.